Hello, friends. Let's listen a new story. The Boy and the Birds. Once there was a very kind boy. He loved to help anyone in need.
2,000 years later.
Festivals was on the way. One day, he found some birds trying to find food and water in a chilly weather. The boy felt bad for the birds. He wanted to help them. Friends, don't skip the video. Watch the full video. Thus, he got down to make a bird feeder. First, he put some glue on a plastic bottle. Then, he put some moss on it and let it dry. Like, share, and subscribe the channel.
A few moments later.
After that, he put seeds in the bottle. Then, he tied the bottle with its neck facing downwards on a tree. His bird feeder was ready. After some time, the boy went inside his house and watched the bird feeder from there. Soon, many birds came near the feeder. The boy had also kept water near the feeder. It was a wonderful sight to see. Thus, the boy had done his good deed for the lovely birds. Friends, if you like the story, subscribe the channel. Thank you.